how much growth can PPC drive by itself versus other factors? Most of the time, everyone who's talking about advertising, they are thinking about just because you advertise, you're also making money. The way how I like to put it is that advertising simply is just a channel of driving traffic to a product. Once that you drove traffic to a product, then it depends on the listing, how well optimized it is, and by well optimized is, does that product looks good? Does it tells you all the benefits of why you would be purchasing the product? Does it connect with you emotionally? If it's an emotionally driven product, just like the example I gave a few minutes back when I said that we just purchased one of the more expensive and instant baby formula maker gadget, and it's like the best investment that we made, and even if it was expensive, but just because emotionally we connected, like right away I knew that this product is actually going to save me time. I was like, yeah, let's go for it. So I think all those things are going to be really important when it comes down to understanding that Amazon ads are just the traffic, and then the listing itself, it's going to make the sale for itself. So that is going to be, I believe, the next level. Once that you're already driving traffic to your listing, how fast can you make the sale by that click that you generated?